Have you ever sat quietly in your favorite chair, reading a book or watching television, when suddenly you felt a strange, electric buzz running through your fingertips? Or perhaps you woke up in the middle of the night and your entire hand felt completely dead, numb, and heavy, as if it did not even belong to your body anymore? Many adults over the age of 60 experience these unusual fleeting sensations every single week. They feel a sudden sharp pinch in their lower back, a strange coldness in their toes even on a warm day, or they notice that they are suddenly dropping their coffee mugs or car keys for no apparent reason. And just like most people, they simply shake their hands, rub their legs, and think to themselves, well, my body is just getting older. I guess my nerves are just wearing out. They dismiss it as an inevitable, unchangeable part of the aging process. They assume that as the decades pass, their nervous system is naturally destined to wither away, and that they just have to live with the discomfort. But today, as a specialist in senior neurology and metabolic wellness, I am here to deliver a vital, urgent warning. These early signs are not just a normal part of growing older. In fact, ignoring these early warnings is one of the most critical mistakes you can make for your future mobility and your long-term independence. Your nervous system is the ultimate, highly sophisticated electrical grid of your body. It is a massive, brilliant highway of billions of microscopic fibers that transmit messages back and forth between your brain and every single square centimeter of your skin muscles and internal organs. Your nerves do not just fail randomly because of a birthday or a calendar year. When your nerves begin to send these strange signals, your body is not breaking down due to age, it is actively calling for help. Because your peripheral nerves are incredibly delicate and require a massive, constant supply of fresh blood, oxygen, and specific micronutrients. They are often the very first system to scream when your internal health is shifting. That subtle tingling, that random drop of a key, or that strange burning sensation is a physical, visible distress signal. It could be a warning that a spinal disc is quietly collapsing and pinching a major pathway. It could be a sign that silent spikes in your blood sugar are eroding the protective coating of your nerve fibers, or it could be an urgent cry from a body that is severely starved of essential vitamins. Ignoring these signals is like hearing a strange, rhythmic knocking sound inside your car's engine, and simply turning up the radio volume so you do not have to listen to it. The sound goes away, but the engine is quietly destroying itself under the hood. Today, we are going to expose the hidden medical science behind your nervous system. We will break down the 6 critical early signs that your nerves are under severe stress, explain exactly what your brain is trying to tell you, and most importantly, I am going to give you a practical, doctor-approved daily blueprint to protect your nerve health, regenerate damaged pathways, and ensure you stay strong, coordinated, and independent well into your 80s and beyond. Let us begin by exposing the first major warning sign: persistent tingling or the pins and needles sensation. We have all experienced that temporary prickling feeling when we sit in an awkward position for too long and our leg falls asleep. In a young, healthy body, that sensation disappears within 30 seconds of moving around because blood flow returns instantly. But if you are noticing a constant low-level tingling in your hands or your feet that occurs almost every single day, especially when you are resting, this is a clear indicator of nerve compression or ischemic stress. Think of your nerve fiber like a garden hose. If you step on the hose, the water stops flowing smoothly. Inside your body, a tight muscle, a misaligned joint, or chronically inflamed tissue can put physical pressure on a nerve pathway. The tingling is the exact electrical friction caused when the nerve's internal signals are blocked from reaching your brain. If you ignore this pins and needles warning, that friction will eventually lead to permanent structural damage to the nerve's outer insulation. The second critical sign is unexplained numbness or the glove and sock effect. This is a profoundly deceptive symptom because it often does not hurt at all. Instead of feeling pain, you simply feel nothing. You might notice that when you walk across a hardwood floor, it feels like you are walking on layers of thick cardboard or cotton balls. Or when you try to button your shirt in the morning, Your fingertips cannot accurately feel the texture of the plastic. In neurology, this is called the glove and sock distribution because it almost always starts at the very tips of your toes and fingers, slowly creeping upward over time. This specific pattern is the hallmark sign of metabolic nerve stress, often caused by undetected changes in blood glucose levels or a severe lack of microcirculation. When the tiny blood vessels that feed your nerve endings become narrowed, the nerves furthest from your spine are starved of oxygen first. They literally begin to go dormant, turning off their sensors one by one. Losing sensation in your feet is one of the leading causes of balance loss and dangerous falls in seniors, making this a symptom that demands immediate action. The third silent warning sign is frequent muscle weakness or inexplicable clumsiness. Nerves do not just allow you to feel the world. They are also the direct electrical cables that tell your muscles exactly when and how hard to contract. If a motor nerve pathway is experiencing high levels of stress, the brain's commands cannot travel clearly to the muscle fibers. You might begin to notice that your hand suddenly feels weak when you try to open a jar, or your grip strength fails, causing a glass to slip right out of your fingers. In your lower body, this nerve stress often shows up as a subtle change in your gait. You might find yourself tripping over the edge of a rug, or noticing that your toes tend to drag slightly across the floor as you walk. This is not a sign of weak muscles. It is a sign of a weak electrical signal. Your muscles are perfectly capable, but the power cord delivering the electricity is frayed and dropping the current. The fourth symptom is a highly distressing one: sudden, unprovoked burning sensations. Imagine resting comfortably on your sofa, when suddenly, the bottom of your feet begins to feel intensely hot, as if you are walking on warm asphalt or boiling sand. This burning feeling often intensifies dramatically at night, making it nearly impossible to fall asleep without kicking your feet outside the heavy blankets. This burning sensation indicates that your sensory nerves are misfiring at a profound level.
Yes,
When nerve fibers become damaged or stripped of their protective myelin sheath, they begin to leak electrical impulses into the surrounding tissue. The brain receives these chaotic, leaking signals and misinterprets them as a sensation of heat or fire. This is a critical milestone of peripheral neuropathy, and it is your body's direct cry for deep nutritional support and immediate anti-inflammatory intervention. The fifth early warning sign is extreme sensitivity to light touch, known medically as allodynia. In a healthy system, your brain can easily differentiate between a painful stimulus, like a sharp needle, and a gentle stimulus, like a soft bed sheet brushing against your leg. But when your central and peripheral nervous systems are under chronic stress, your pain receptors can become completely hypersensitized. Suddenly, a light touch from a loved one, the fabric of a tight pair of pants, or even the gentle weight of a warm blanket on your shins feels intensely uncomfortable, painful, or irritating. Your nervous system has entered a state of high alert, where it treats every single physical contact as an attack. This hypersensitivity is an advanced distress signal, telling you that your body's internal stress hormones are completely out of balance and your nerve pathways are highly inflamed. The sixth and final warning sign is a subtle change in your skin and sweat patterns. Autonomic disruption. Your nerves also control the automated functions of your body, including how your skin regulates temperature and moisture. If the tiny microscopic nerves that surround your blood vessels are under stress, you might notice that the skin on your lower legs looks unusually shiny, thin, or dry. You may stop sweating entirely in your feet, causing the skin to crack and peel, while simultaneously experiencing excessive sweating in your upper body. This tells us that the autonomic branch of your nervous system is losing its ability to communicate with your skin, a vital warning that your internal circulation is struggling to adapt to your daily life. The great, inspiring news is that your nervous system possesses an incredible capability known as neuroplasticity. Your nerves are not static plastic wires, they are living, organic structures that can heal, regenerate, and rebuild their protective coatings if you provide them with the exact environment they need. The first step in your nerve defense blueprint is to prioritize targeted B vitamin restoration. Your nerves are absolutely dependent on 3 specific vitamins to maintain their health: vitamin B1,
These expanding neural
B6,
pathways
and
demonstrate
especially
the brain's
vitamin
incredible ability to
B12.
adapt.
Vitamin
Our program
B12
is
is the
designed to
exact raw
stimulate this
material
growth
your body
holistically.
uses to build the myelin sheath, the protective plastic coating that insulates your nerve wires. As we age, our stomach acid decreases, making it significantly harder for our bodies to absorb B12 from food alone. Speak with your healthcare provider about checking your B12 levels and incorporating high-quality, bioavailable supplements like methylcobalamin into your routine to give your nerves the bricks and mortar they need to repair themselves. The second solution is to practice daily nerve flighting exercises. Just like your muscles need stretching, your nerves need to slide smoothly through their deep anatomical tunnels. If a nerve gets stuck or adhered to surrounding tissue, it pinches and misfires. For your lower body, sit comfortably in a chair, straighten your leg out in front of you, and slowly point your toes toward your face while gently tilting your head back. Then, point your toes away while looking down toward your chest. This simple, rhythmic movement is called nerve flossing. It gently pulls the sciatic and peripheral nerves back and forth through your legs, breaking up scar tissue, reducing compression, and instantly boosting fresh blood flow directly into the nerve cores. The third solution is to eliminate nerve toxins from your daily diet. The single greatest enemy of your delicate nerve insulation is chronic inflammation, driven heavily by refined sugars and industrial seed oils. When your blood sugar spikes, it creates a process called advanced glycation end products, which literally caramelizes the microscopic blood vessels feeding your nerves, starving them of oxygen. Focus your meals entirely around clean whole foods, healthy fats like extra virgin olive oil and avocados, and plenty of leafy green vegetables packed with magnesium to soothe irritated nerve pathways. The fourth solution is embracing gentle contrast therapy. To stimulate dead or dormant nerve endings in your feet or hands, use the power of temperature contrast. Before your evening shower, prepare 2 small tubs of water, one comfortably warm and one cool. Soak your feet in the warm water for 3 minutes, then instantly switch to the cool water for 30 seconds. Repeat this cycle 3 times. This simple practice acts like a powerful hydraulic pump for your microcapillaries, forcing stagnant blood out and rushing fresh, oxygenated, nutrient-rich blood back into your nerve endings to stimulate healing. Your body after 60 is an absolute masterpiece of engineering, but it requires an owner who listens to its subtle, whisper-quiet warnings. A tingling finger or a numb toe is not a reason to panic, nor is it a sign that you are simply broken down by age. It is a beautiful, timely invitation from your body, asking you to slow down, nourish yourself, move your joints with intention, and give your nervous system the support it richly deserves after decades of faithful service. Listen to these early signs today. Take these practical, scientifically proven steps, and you will protect your balance, your coordination, and your precious independence for all the beautiful years ahead. Please always remember that while gradual, mild nerve sensations are highly manageable through daily lifestyle improvements, certain sudden symptoms require immediate, urgent medical evaluation. If you experience a sudden loss of bowel or bladder control, severe, blinding weakness that makes it impossible to lift your foot at all, or if your numbness spreads rapidly up your leg or arm within a few hours, this is a medical emergency that requires immediate professional evaluation. This